are at Tom Bradley. And we're off. Vroom. We just took a 6 a.m. flight from Seattle, so we've been up since
3:30 a.m.
3:30. The flight from Seattle, he slept literally the entire time. I slept, it was okay. But we are so excited that we're gonna be going to Italy now.
In Italy by in 14 hours. There's 2 more hours of our flight.
Yes, so we're gonna be taking off. We're gonna be flying into Rome.
Can you not cut off my hair?
Oh, sorry. he got a haircut in Seattle, so he wants to show off that.
No, but you just cut out bald hair.
So anyways, we're gonna be going to Rome, and then
we're gonna take a train to Florence, spending 1 day there. Then taking a tram to Venice, spending 2 nights there, and then taking a tram down to Rome again, getting convertible, driving to Amalfi Coast, and then checking out Naples, surrounding areas of Amalfi, and then heading back to Rome, ending the last 3 nights over there.
Yeah, it's gonna be amazing, and our plan is to just eat our entire way through.
Which I noticed that we've noticed that there's no gyms in Italy at all, so we're gonna have to find something.
Walking or running.
You gotta find something.
I'm getting hives from, maybe I've been eating a lot of wheat and seafood, but we're just gonna power through.
Yep.
Just gonna power through. So, see you guys in Rome.
Oh, by the way, first trip being married.
Oh yeah, we're married. But you guys need that already. Well, it's been 12 hours. You want to take us home with him? We're almost there. Watching Eat, Pray, Love to get in the Italian. We made it, babe. 25 hours of traveling.
Yep.
Our hotel has a sauna situation. This nice bedroom here. Dan's turning on the AC. It's pretty hot here. Bathroom. Bam. And I'm not sure if this is like a bidet situation. We'll figure that out later. But we made it. We are at Florence's Central Market, and it is really, really, really cool here. There's a bunch of people eating, drinking wine. There's fresh pasta, so we just picked up this spaghetti carbonara. Cannot wait to get into this. This will be our 3rd pasta of the trip, and we've only been in Florence for less than an hour. Obviously, it happens, right? Pasta everywhere. This place makes fresh pasta. Fresh. Excuse me. Looks so good. 26.
26?
Grazie. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I'm a happy camper right now. Dan is eating pizza. The pizza's really good. So cheesy. Creamy. Really al dente. I love it. It was worth a 25-hour travel day. On to the next one. On to the next one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this pizza is not just a pizza. It's a sandwich. Like, there's food inside. Watch. It's stuffed. Oh my gosh. Gelato time.
You like it?
Dessert time. Dan and I couldn't agree on any flavor, so we each got 2 flavors, different. We're gonna take a walk back to our hotel now. I got lemon and yogurt, and Dan got
some raisin one and coffee. So good.
and crunchy. So refreshing. It's so hot right now. Dan and I just are literally taken aback by how beautiful the Duomo is. And this is the Baptistery of St. John. We're back. This is where we're eating tonight. Handwritten daily menu. This is the duck ragu with pappardelle. This is our second dinner. How relaxing is this? Look at this guy. I'm married to this guy. Cheers to that. All right. On dinner number 3, we got a pizza with artichoke. Let's see what's inside. Pizza with a view you literally cannot beat. So across from the Duomo is this tiny, teeny panini Toscani.
It has been covered with tomatoes for natural conservation. Traditional preservation technique.
You get to have samples first.
Number 3, fresh pecorino from Chiantigiano. This pecorino has 10 days, 2 weeks of age. Fresh and creamy like number 1 cheese. And bun. Second one is prosciutto.
So after the samples, that IG story though.
Sun-dried tomato.
Yes, sun-dried tomato.
Tomato?
And maybe peppers. Which one do you want?
That's good.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Decisions. Can't handle it. So magnificent. Grazie. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Sandwich is so good.
Why is it so good?
Because
It's simple.
it's like simple, but the bread is soft yet crispy. And then
The cheese
The
is like
roast-
really creamy.
and the roasted red peppers cuts everything. So,
Italy.
so we're gonna do a battle of the sandwiches because we're gonna head to another panini spot that is also super famous. Our next sandwich spot. Oh my gosh. Look at all the prosciutto up there.
Lo farò. Mi ci manda l'audio.
Sandwich number 2. Different.
It's called salami.
Salami.
So soft.
I know the salami is like really soft because it's super thin. This one though, the bread is not toasted. There aren't chunks of cheese, it's like a cheese spread instead. It's delicious. But I think we both like the other one better. Next stop, we're gonna walk across the water and we're gonna grab pasta. This is the life, babe. This is the life. Eating sandwiches by the river. We've traveled far for this next one. Is that the entrance? We walked across the bridge. Is this the entrance or is the other one? Oh, the other one, the entrance. We just raced to the train station.